Welcome to my channel Kids Educational Learning. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Today we learn action words vocabulary, action verb in English or with pictures. Let's start.
Hug, height, bat, big, ask, answer, read, write, awake, cook, argue, bite, walk, run, sit, stand, wipe, oil, blow, brush, clap, climb, clean, collect, come, go, cry, cut, dance, sing, defend, feed, hear, lick, hide, seek, hold, laugh, kick, paint, eat, chew, charge, chase, call, catch, knock, move, listen, smell, pee, poop, pick, put, play, ride, pull, push, scold, share, slap, sneeze, buy, sell, slip, spit, steal, talk, teach, study, sweep, test, think, wait, throw, yawn, watch, was, attack, beat, open, close, come, calf, descend, drag, deep, sick, draw, pour, plant, pluck, drink, look, drive, fix, drown, part, dry, empty, nil, hit, enter, exit, cross, dig, crawl, suck, delete, fill, deposit, donate, exercise, meditate, boil, burn, extinguish, infect, flip, fly, gather, follow, announce, bend, give, take, tire, withdraw, grab, help, hospitalize, nurse, jump, hunt, iron, lift, lean, live, mop, vacuum, pinch, scream, pray, recover, rinse, sail, rescue, see, sleep, snore, stop, sting, swing, water, whistle, wink, create, punch, break, swim, start, finish, care, discuss, choose, hang, destroy, discover, dive, glow, dream, harvest, erase, restore, freeze, melt, rise, set, grow, lie, imagine, sow, eat, suit, meet, sow, move, squat, record, repair, sink, fall, touch, stream, swipe, transfer, cancel, backup, attach, copy, nod, send,